You wanted the best core move for your obliques? You got it. So lie on the bench on your side and put your hips at the edge of the bench. I'm gonna hold your ankles and your hips. When I say go, you're gonna put your hands at your temples and stretch out as if you were standing upright and hold it while holding your core really tight. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Yeah. Squeeze real tight. Don't let the body sink. You're already shaking. See, I told you, keep it tight. Try to keep your body extended, the rib cage extended, and good. Up. There you have it. One of the most lethal muffin top moves. There it is.